women get together to share the report to build rapport. Women are the caregivers. Huge. They care. And they talk about people. It's our 5th anniversary. I want to take you out to dinner. Where do you want to go? I don't know. You decide. You want me to decide? Hey, I was reading in that Midwest magazine, and they talked about these fillets. They're like 15 feet thick. And do you know where they're serving those? Do you know that truck stop out on 69? I don't want to go there. Here's what she's thinking. If he loves me as much as I love him, he'll figure out where it is I want to eat without me having to tell him. Now, the question is, why does this kind of thing happen?